What you see on this video is an example of an information resource as a special category of digital resources for learning, or information display more specifically. Information display is an effective strategy for organizing information in a single screen by using visual capabilities and the interactive capabilities of contemporary representational technologies. In other words, using pictures, graphs, lines, diagrams, and so on and on to represent information whenever it is possible in order to minimize the amount of text that we want to display on the screen. And at the same time, we use interactivity to allow maximum information to be presented in the same screen area through various forms of interactivity such as tabs, buttons, and so on. How this works, basically you see here the blue line and red line that represents the French troops as they attacked Russia in 1812, and these French troops moved through the various geographic territories of Russia until the city of Moscow. So that's represented in blue line. The thickness of the line shows corresponds to number of troops at different points of time, and we see that various group of troops are breaking away from main troops and going to different geographic locations. So we see, for example, after the troops enter Kovno, few days later, a group of 22,000 troops, for some reason, they break away and they go up north. And then further down the timeline, something like 66,000 troops go somewhere around the northeast direction towards the city of Polotsk. And then they join the main troops again somewhere there. So how the information is represented is through the lines, thickness of these lines, and a color. So blue line stands for the advancement of this troop until Moscow, and red line shows how the troops moved backwards, and you see only 10,000 troops survived, which was a real disaster for the French army. And the person who originally developed this diagram, it was in somewhere in the 19th century, mid of 19th century. He wanted to show the impact of the campaign of and negative effects on and in terms of loss of life that French army suffered. So in terms of information, we have information as a color, information as a lines, as a thickness of the lines, information as a geographical locations. So there is a map of territory there, information as dates, and the temperature at particular dates. So we see the line graph of this, and we see the directions of the movement of the troops, and also more information is presented when we roll over a particular area. And as we roll over a particular area, we see some more information pops up. Okay, and we can even have more information. Now we're talking about interactivity. So one form of interactivity is rolling over a mouse over this hotspot area. Another form is actually clicking on this area, and then we get much more information displayed, and this information can come in textual, graphical, and other formats. So we are not really limited how much we can put on a single screen, because this is what interactivity enables to do.